Hey Wendy, you're a rock star and Rhett loves you. Let's do this. Yeah, man. Hey, is Wendy around?
She's downstairs. Let me go get her.
Thank you, or I can invade in here would be better. But
okay.
I'll wait, whatever's easier.
It doesn't matter.
Okay, someone with a lot of light. Hey, how you doing? Wendy has a secret admirer.
Downstairs.
All right, let's go do it. Let's go do it. Is she down? Is this Wendy? Hey Wendy, how you doing?
Good.
Good to see you. We got Ted over here. He's recording for us. But do you know a guy named Rhett?
No, I don't.
Rhett really loves you. And he said he thinks about you every day. So let's see. He's got a song for you. You got brown eyes?